टेलीविजन कहें या बॉलीवुड कहें, शोबिज़ की दुनिया बहुत ही अनोखी है। इस दुनिया में अपने आप को स्टैंड रखने के लिए काफी कुछ करना पड़ता है। कितनी बार हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज इवन दो दे डू नॉट लाइक टू डाइट और मे बी दे डू नॉट वांट टू फॉलो अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग, दे कीप फॉलोइंग। वो कितनी बार अपनी रूटीन सेट कर लेते हैं सो दैट वो अपनी लुक एंड इमेज को हमेशा सस्टेन कर सके। कितनी बार होता है कि उनके हर कहीं की बात के ऊपर उनको किया जाता है ट्रोल या फिर उनको सहना पड़ता है हेट कमेंट्स। लेकिन ये भी बहुत आम सी बात है सेलिब्रिटीज की दुनिया में कि उन्हें अपने करियर में होना पड़ता है कितनी बार फैट शेम, सहने पड़ते हैं रेसिस्ट रिमार्क एंड व्हाट नॉट। और ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ था एक बॉलीवुड की खास अदाकारा के साथ जिन्होंने इस बारे में किया खुलासा। बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस परिणीति चोपड़ा has managed to impress her fans and viewers with a performance in the upcoming film Saina trailer. After delivering a stellar performance in the recently released Netflix film The Girl on the Train, Parineeti is busy with the promotions of her next project. During an interview, the actress spoke about much spoken topic of body shaming and weight gain. The actress opened about her experience with fat shaming and shared what she feels about it, while she also shared her thoughts on the same, explaining her stance. Speaking with a leading portal, Parineeti shared with her reactions to the trolls commenting on her weight gain on social media. कितने सारे ट्रोलर्स थे जो परिणीति को उनके weight gain पे कमेंट करते हुए पाए गए थे। The actress said, "I agreed with them that I wasn't looking my best and I wasn't doing my best for my fitness." Parineeti continued saying, "I think I would have gotten hurt if I was doing everything that I could and I was really my fittest. And then people didn't like the way I look. I think that would have affected me because I got to work and I took a very little bit break and got to work on my fitness and health. I was so engrossed in myself in such a positive way and knew that after 6 months or a year, I shall show myself to them in a fitter manner." Answering the question on body shaming, the Girl on the Train actress replied, "It is the most ridiculous thing on the earth. It's like shaming somebody for having black eyes." Parineeti continued and says, "It has something natural and what you are born with. But every human being should strive to be their fittest. They shouldn't strive to be the skinniest. You can be fit at your body type." While the actor continues and adds saying, "The problem is that you compare yourself with people who are on screen was skinny or not too skinny. You just have to be at your fittest." Chopra also said that the trolls who comment on others are frustrated with themselves and hence they end up writing such stuff. Meanwhile, आपको बता देते हैं that Parineeti Chopra is all set for her biopic Saina that is in the pipeline. Apart from that, she has the film titled Animal with Ranbir Kapoor and Anil Kapoor alongside with it. और ये कहना गलत नहीं है कि सेलिब्रिटीज की लाइफ भी कोई इतनी परफेक्ट नहीं होती है, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज एक स्माइल और हमेशा परफेक्ट दिखने के साथ साथ फैंस के सामने एक बहुत ही अलग लेवल की एग्जाम्पल सेट कर देते हैं और इसीलिए फैंस को लगता है कि शायद उनकी लाइफ इज utmost perfect. Well, परिणीति का ये जवाब we are pretty sure will shut down a lot many trollers out there and maybe some of them would find a reason to yet again troll her. But Parineeti has a never give up attitude in her and we can only wish her all the best for the upcoming future projects that she's signed up. Until then, you stay tuned to Telly Chakkar और नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में ये जरूर बताइएगा कि आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं परिणीति के इस स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टैंड के बारे में। Until then, stay tuned. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.